integration of 0 to infinity dx by x square plus a square into x square plus b square using transforms. So we have to evaluate this integral. Solution. Parseval's identity is integral 0 to infinity f of x into g of x into dx is equal to 0 to infinity Fourier cosine transform of f of x into Fourier cosine transform of g of x into ds. So this is Parseval's identity. So let f of x is equal to e power minus ax. Here we will assume let g of x is equal to e power minus bx. The basic formula, Fourier cosine transform of f of x is equal to square root of 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity f of x cos sx into dx. Here Fourier cosine transform of g of x is equal to root of 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity g of x cos sx into dx. Both are same formula. Here the function is f of x, here it is g of x, that's all. So we write root of 2 by pi as it is 0 to infinity f of x we have assumed to be e power minus ax. So e power minus ax cos x into dx. Here g of x is e power minus bx. So you substitute here in this formula, you will be getting this. So for this the standard result, so root of 2 by pi, for this the standard result is a by a square plus a square. For this the standard result is b by a square plus b square. This you have to remember. Okay. So the next step will be, we are considering the left hand side f of x into g of x, f of x into g of x. F of x is e power minus ax, g of x is e power minus bx, else base is same, so you will be having minus ax minus bx, e power minus a plus b into x. This is f of x into g of x. The next step we have to integrate. So integration 0 to infinity f of x into g of x into dx is equal to integral 0 to infinity f of x into g of x, just now we found out, which is e power minus a plus b into x, that you substitute into dx. The integration is e power minus cos e power minus a plus b into x divided by the coefficient of x, that is minus a plus b. Upper limit is infinity, lower limit is 0. For x you substitute infinity, e power minus infinity is 0, because you know e power minus theta at infinity it will reach 0. Next lower limit is 0, you substitute 0, e power 0 is 1, 1 divided by minus 1 into a plus b, minus minus gets cancelled and you will be getting 1 by a plus b. This is the result of left hand side. Next we have to concentrate on right hand side. Okay. So to find right hand side, what you have to do? You have to multiply these two, that is these two relations. So Fourier cosine transform of f of x into Fourier cosine transform of g of x, that means these two. If you multiply, root 2 into root 2 is 2, root pi into root pi is pi. This will be as it is, a by a square plus a square into b by a square plus b square. Okay, the next step will be, so just now I told you, so if you multiply 2 by pi, a into b is ab, a square plus a square into a square plus b square. Now 0 to infinity Fourier cosine transform of f of x into Fourier cosine transform of g of x into ds, which is nothing but 0 to infinity this result, 2ab by pi into 1 by a square plus a square into a square plus b square into ds. So from Parseval's identity we know already, left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Left hand side we already got the result as 1 by a plus b is equal to, this is the right hand side result, 2ab by pi is constant, you pull outside the integral, 0 to infinity 1 by s square plus a square into s square plus b square into ds. Bring this to the other side. So this will go to the numerator, pi divided by a plus b into 2ab, which is equal to 0 to infinity 1 by s square plus a square into s square plus b square into ds. Now replace s by x, since s is a dummy variable. So wherever you see s, you replace by x. So this will become x square plus a square, x square plus b square into dx, 0 to infinity, which is nothing but this result, which is equal to pi by 2ab into a plus b. So the question is, we have to evaluate this integral. We got the answer as pi by 2ab into a plus b. That's all about this problem. Hope you have understood how to solve this problem. It's an important question. Thanks for watching this video. Nandri.